Hello, brilliant minds! Welcome to another fascinating episode of Body Brilliance. I'm your guide on this journey into the incredible world within us. Today, we're delving into the uniqueness of our anatomy, unlocking marvels that make our bodies truly remarkable. So, let's embark on this journey together. Segment 1: The Human Blueprint. Our bodies are like intricate blueprints, each with its own set of unique features. Imagine our skeleton as the framework, supporting the masterpiece of muscles, organs, and tissues. It's a symphony of complexity that creates the magic of movement, life, and vitality. Segment 2: The Marvelous Muscular System. Now, let's talk about our muscles, the unsung heroes of our daily activities. From the mighty heart to the tiniest twitching fingers, every movement involves these incredible fibers. But did you know that pound for pound, our muscles are stronger than steel? It's true. Segment 3: The Astonishing Nervous System. Next up, let's dive into the nerve-wracking world of the nervous system. Think of it as the body's electrical wiring. It not only helps us move but also ensures our organs function seamlessly. It's like a superhighway of signals, and the brain is the command center orchestrating this symphony of signals. Segment 4: The Quirky Organs. Now, let's shine a spotlight on our quirky organs. From the liver's detoxifying dance to the stomach's digestive drama, each organ plays a unique role in maintaining the delicate balance of our body. It's a wondrous collaboration that keeps us ticking. Segment 5: The Mysteries of DNA. As we marvel at our anatomy, we can't forget the fascinating world of DNA. It's the code that makes us who we are, containing the secrets of our ancestry and the potential for countless variations. Our DNA is like a personalized user manual for the masterpiece that is you. Segment 6: The Symphony of Senses. Our journey wouldn't be complete without exploring the symphony of our senses. From the sweetness of taste to the vividness of sight, our senses connect us to the world. Each sense is a doorway to experiencing life in its full brilliance. And there you have it, a glimpse into the wonders of our unique anatomy. Our bodies are a masterpiece, a brilliant symphony of systems working together perfectly. I hope you enjoyed this journey into Body Brilliance. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating explorations. Until next time, stay curious and embrace the brilliance within you. Body Brilliance. Unlocking the marvels within a journey into unique anatomy. Body Brilliance. Unlocking the marvels within a journey into unique anatomy. Body Brilliance. Unlocking the marvels within a journey into unique anatomy.